The topic of today's discussion is oscillations, which plays a crucial role for the growth of the humankind. The term oscillation is used to explore the new adventures of science and technology, right from the home appliances to the space applications. In our washing machine, the drum makes uniform circular motion, which is oscillation. Similarly, the Earth's rotational motion is a beautiful example for the oscillation. Oscillation has the biggest role even in the smallest particle, say the nanoparticle. The outline of the talk is as follows. At first, we will discuss the prelude about the oscillation used in our daily life. Say for example, how oscillation is used in a bell to make a sound in Ayyanar and Karpasamy temples in villages. The objects or the items that are used or oscillated will be discussed here. Say for example, the baby cradle. We will discuss some of the technologies used or terminologies used in this lesson, like frequency, amplitude, and crest and trough, etc. Then the topic simple harmonic motion will be explained at length, taking into account the spring mass concept to derive the expressions for the equations of motion of the simple harmonic motion and for the total energy of the oscillators like mechanical accelerator and electrical oscillator. The damping is widely used technical word in sound engineering that will be demonstrated in the following sections. Every lecture will have its own style of assessment methods like quiz, tutorial, assignment, and face-to-face discussion, of course to some extent problem solving sessions. The video lecture on this oscillation lesson consists of 6 parts. Each part will be of 5 to 10 minutes duration. So this is Professor Walter Levin, MIT USA, who will explain the oscillation concept. He himself tied up in a rope and made it to oscillate in the classroom. It is simply awesome. Next. Okay, now just watch this video for a few seconds. Take for example the solid heavy brass bell. This bell is used in temple villages traditionally for more than several thousand years to make sound and to alert the people to worship the god. The bell goes up, comes back, goes up, and every time it crosses the center point. That is, the bell makes not only the sound vibration but moves here and there. Another beautiful example is the traditional musical instrument. So this is another beautiful example is the traditional musical instruments which produce vibration and hence oscillation. When you listen to the kottu sound, say for example the towel sound, I'm sure your leg will not allow you to stand straight. Yes, it is a challenge, of course. Uh, that vibration is a kind of oscillation. Then look at another example. Say for example, the bike riding is an excellent example for oscillation. You're riding in a bike from your house to the place you wanted to visit. Then you'll go shopping, then eating curry dosa and karanti omelette or tair sadam in Talapakati. Then you'll be back home. Next day, you'll visit some other place and will return to the house. Here, house is center point. Now, look at the another example or look at the characteristics of the dog, the Kala Bhairavar. It will keep running here and there. I'm taking I'm talking about the street dog. In one way or other, the dog is a very good friend for all of us. The street dog will never allow the strangers to enter in its own area. What I'm trying to say is that the dog will at one point of time come to its own place, which I can say the center point. In all these examples, I use the term center point, which is called the equilibrium position in oscillation. Perfect. Okay. Now, Let us see one more examples for the oscillation is that this is the baby cradle customized in villages. The cradle will be tied in a big tree, mostly makosa tree, vepamaram. Our mother will put the child into the cradle and make it oscillate. Then she will do her agri works in the land. The cradle will make to and fro motion, and the child will start sleeping under the medicinal tree by breathing pure air. This totil will come to the center point all the time, that is oscillation. Imagine that you are doing your master's at MIT USA after getting your BE degree from Tyagaraja College of Engineering. When your mother calls you over phone, say from the Alangulam or Andipatti to America, you love to attend it. I'm sure that at first your mother asks you, Sapte appa, then immediately you lose a tempo and your sensor in no minute will reach Madurai and will think about the amma sambar and chutney and that kada biryani too. I'm sure, yes. Your mind and soul will start longing for the love, not for others' love, but for Amma's love. Of course, your mind will travel from the America to the Alangulam and vice versa. Manassu alaipayum. This is type of oscillation. Then you take the technical example for say the age-old wall clock called the pendulum, which is again the best example for the simple pendulum, which makes oscillation. We will discuss this pendulum elaborately later in this section. Another fabulous example for oscillation is swing actually. Now it is the playback time that you are asking your mother to lie on the swing and you are making it to swing. The swing makes oscillation. Every time it comes back, goes up. Now your mother is very happy about you. Therefore, in any sense, anything that moves to and fro, side to side, up and down, or back and forth is vibrating. Any motion that repeats itself after regular interval of time is called vibration or oscillation. There is a small difference exists between the vibration and the oscillation, that oscillatory motion is the slow to and fro motion, whereas the vibrating motion is the very fast to and fro motion. Now it is time to worship our global God, the Google Andava. For anything and everything, we have to depend on something. References really an important part and parcel of our life, whether it is related to academic activities or appavin kadis. We used to talk about colleges, that this college is best, that college is best. Similarly, Appa used to scold us by comparing our marks with our relatives. Anyways, these are some of the best references which you can make use of it. All of these are available in Google at free of cost. This is Professor Walter Levin. His lecture is really fabulous. ரொம்ப செமையா இருக்கும். He is a MIT professor. I think one of the top ranked physics professors of this century. Paul Hewitt is another interesting professor his book Conceptual Physics is ultimate, of course. Please buy this book and to refer. This is Paul Hewitt actually. And a couple of talented youngsters have posted wonderful lectures on their website, AK Lectures. You can, if time permits, you can visit all those lectures in his website, aklectures.com, or YouTube video actually. And the last one, these are some of the books that I'm going to refer for my own lecture classes for you in the first year BA students. And I'll use these books in addition to the YouTube lessons. You can refer, of course, it is everything is translated